Temperatures like what's impacting Green Country right now can have a drastic impact on your health.
News on 6's Michaela Glenn tells us what you should look out for. Michaela.
Good morning. Emergency room manager at Hillcrest Hospital, Claremore, says if you must be out in these cold temperatures, it's best to bundle up and layer up and wear warm clothing. I spoke with Stephen Barnes, who says they see more people with cold exposure coming into the ER. Barnes says they see many people who have hypothermia and frostbite during this time. He says it's best to avoid wearing wet clothing and always have a change of warm, dry clothing. Symptoms of hypothermia include shivering, lack of coordination, changes in skin color in your hands and ears, and slurred speech. Frostbite happens when people are out for long periods of time and impacts the feeling in your fingers and toes. You may also see swelling and blistering. Barnes says ice also leads to people breaking bones, hurting their hips, and more head injuries. He urges people to stay in, but if you must be out, be careful.
One of the things, that we recommend is if you don't have to get out, try to stay in your house. But unfortunately, sometimes, we do have to get out in this type of weather. Some things to remember, you want to wear, layer your clothing. The main thing is you want to prepare.
Barnes says if you're out in the elements, it's best to cover up your hands and feet and retain as much body heat as possible. Live in Tulsa, Michaela Glenn, Oklahoma's own News on 6.
Thank you, Michaela.